Here's how to create an FAQ page on your Shopify store. Hey everyone and welcome. So I will show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to do it, everything that you need to know, and hopefully this video is just going to show you everything that you will need in order to get started and actually create an FAQ page for your Shopify store. So I believe we just jump into it. There's no extra intro stuff. So let's actually get started. And the first thing that you will need to do is go to your Shopify dashboard and you will need to navigate to your apps. So you'll need to install an application for it. So if you just click on Add Apps and then we go to Shopify App Store and just give it a second to load, we will get to this search option where we will need to search for section store. And we should locate this app right here, section store theme sections, built for Shopify. Okay, so make sure that you install the correct one, right this one, pretty much this one. Okay, so you can see the reviews and stuff, so you can like know that this is the actual one, and just click on install. You just give it a little bit of time and then you confirm the installation process by clicking on install again. And basically this is going to provide you with many sections. It's not just for FAQs. So this could actually help you in other areas as well, but it does also complete the thing that we want, which is an FAQ page, which it does. Now you may wonder whether it's free or not. There are some sections that are free, but most of them are not. But the ones that are paid, what I like about this application is that it's not a subscription-based app. It's actually more of a you pay one time and then you own it forever kind of thing, which is very, very nice. We don't see a lot of those anymore. And yeah, so most of them are that way. You will need to pay for them, but there are some free ones. So basically what you will need to do is actually just go ahead and click on the app after you install it, where we will need to locate FAQs. We can search it here, or we just click on this one right here. I didn't even see it. So once we click on here, we should find all the pages that are going to be related to the FAQs. And you can see most of them are $9 if you want to pay for them, and you can just click on like any of them and see how they look like. So you can see these pages how they look like. Maybe like this one more. You can just view demo and try for yourself before you purchase. So if you really want to buy it, you can go for it. So if you just keep looking for them and just select the one that you like the most, you can just go for it, and it's going to be pretty much the same steps. The only thing different is going to be later on once you customize it. It's going to give you more customization options, and that's it. But for now, I'll just use the free version just for the sake of the tutorial, and then we will move on from there. And again, it's going to be the same steps. So once you find whatever you like, which is this one right here, the FAQ, I would just use the free one. You just click on it and then click on get free section, or obviously purchase a one that is paid if you want to pay for it. So just click on it and then click add to theme, and then you obviously add it to the theme that you want to add it to. So you just click on the theme and then it should say successfully installed. Now, the first step of actually installing the FAQ section is done, but we are not done yet. What you will need to do is go to your online store, and then from here, you'll need to customize your online store. We will first create a template for it just to make things easier for us if you want to do things in the future, but you can, just follow along. So just go to homepage and go to pages, where we will create a template. We will call it FAQ, and that is it for the template. We're not going to do anything else. And then we can just exit out. And now it's going to be the section of actually creating the FAQ page. So Again, if you didn't understand what happened, I just went to themes, customize. I'll just show you again. I feel like I went too fast. I'm sorry. I just want to make sure this is a step-by-step tutorial. Go to customize homepage, click on it, go to pages, and then create a template and name it FAQ. That is it. Okay. And then you can just exit out and go to pages. Okay. And this is going to be very easy. We just create a page named FAQ or whatever you want to name it, but it is going to be for, FAQs. You can also add it to any other page. You can add it to the home page if you want. It's completely up to you. But I would prefer if you have a complete separate FAQ page. And this is what this video is about. So we name the title FAQ or whatever you want, maybe frequently asked questions, and then select the template FAQ that we have just created and then click on save. Now we are almost halfway there, or actually we are halfway there. So we're pretty much done. We just need to add the section to the page and we should be good to go. So if we go to online store again and customize and navigate to the page, you can do so by going home page and then pages and then FAQ page right here. You should find yourself in this page. Now you can obviously customize it to your liking, the page, before we even get started. Like if you want to add an image, something like that, it's completely up to you. You know how to customize. I'm not going to show you exactly how to customize the page. Just go for it, customize your page. And then after that's done, we add a section. So we just go under page here and then add section. And we just search for FAQ. And it should give us whatever option that we have chosen. So if it's the paid stuff, if it's this one, no matter what type of one we chose, we should find it in here. So we just click on it and it's going to automatically add stuff for us. And in here, if we just click on it, we should find the questions over on this left side, if you can see it. So whatever we want to adjust, the first question, we click on it, we change the question, for example, delivery time, and then we give the answer 9 years. It's just an example. I'm not going to actually write actual answers. And then same thing goes for the second question. You just add anything here, and then answer goes here. Okay. And then if you want to add more questions, it's very simple. Just click on underneath the questions that we already have, add questions and answers. You just click on it and, adjust the questions and answers to your liking. And this is pretty much how to add the FAQ part to your page. And we are not done yet, because I will show you also how to customize it and at the end even have it in your menu. So to customize it, it's very simple. You just click on FAQ here, or you just click on it. Sorry, my voice is gone. And then you can see icon color, question hover color. So once you hover over, that will show you. Let's just make it gray. And you can see now it's gray once I hover over them. Question color, let's make it black maybe. And then here we make it gray if you want. And then answer color, let's make it white. Wait, does that even make sense? Hold on. Let me just click on anything here. Nope, it doesn't make sense. Let me just change this to also be gray. Okay, what am I doing? So basically, you understand exactly how to, customize it now. I don't need to customize it in front of you. It's very simple. And questions font size, you can also change, so we can make it bigger. You can notice how big it is now. And we are done. We can just click on save. The last thing I'm going to show you is to add it to your menu. So if you know how to do so, you're already done. If not, then just stick with me. It's very easy. So if you go to online store and go to navigation and go to main menu, in here you will need to click add menu item, and then we just name it FAQ. And search paste, we go to pages and then obviously FAQ, and just click on add. And we just save the menu and we should be done. So if we just view our online store, let's just customize it because it takes time to actually apply those changes. we can see now it is over there. So if we click on it, it's going to directly take us to the FAQ page that we have just created. And again, like I said, you can create more stuff to it. You can add image banner, whatever it may be. So yeah, I hope this video helped you and showed you exactly how to create an FAQ page for your Shopify store. And thanks for watching.